guys. Today I'm trying to go over this trade that I took today on Nas100. This trade made me $8,000 to pass my 100K account in one trade. And also I'm doing a challenge where I'm gonna be taking $500 into $1,000,000 in 12 weeks. And I'm gonna be uploading that challenge every week. I'm gonna be doing weekly updates, weekly breakdown on the trades I took for the week. Well, this is the trade that I took today on Nas100 that made me 500. So the goal for the challenge is basically 11 weeks. The first week, I gotta take 500 to 1,000. The second week, 1,000 to 2,000. The third week, 2,000 to 4,000. 4,000 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 32. You guys understand? So this was the first week. This was basically the first day that I made the entire 500 of one trade. So I'm gonna be breaking down this trade, what I was thinking, and how I answered this trade. So let's start this off. So first off, I'm gonna use the playback future. So let me remove all of this. Remove all this right here, so we can really see like the chart. Alright. So when I came into the market this morning, market was something like this. I saw something like this, like around 7. So I saw this. And first thing I did, usually first thing I do when I come into the market, I try to identify for like bearish, bullish. So for Nas, I have Nas going down long term. Like I've been calling Nas at the top right here. Like that's at the top. I call Nas. So I'm already knowing that Nas is about to fall long term to the downside. So the market is bearish. So I don't really need to do my weekly, daily, and 4-hour. So I already know it's bearish. 4 hours cleanly shows it. But what I would do first, I would take my fib. Since I know we're already moving in a clean bearish structure, I'll take my fib and I would draw my fib from the swing low to the swing high right here. So basically the way I use my fib is below the white line is discount, above the white line is premium. And since I'm looking for sales, I can only take sales at a premium zone. I'm never gonna take sales at a discount. And the 79 and the 75 is my extreme premium with this. So I identify that. I'm gonna draw that out. I got that drawn out as golden zone right here. So I just identify that real quick. Just keep that on the chart so I can know where that's at. And then secondly, what I do, I take my volume tool and I do this. Swing low to the swing high again. Swing low to the swing high. So my volume is telling me that this entire range right here, the most traded area was at this level, this area right here, the POC. So I mark that out as previous section volume. So when price come up here, I'm gonna be interested. So like this entire area up here is like premium, so I'm interested in taking a trade up there. This is my golden zone, the 78 and the 75, and then I got my POC right here. So I'll delete this just to clean my chart. I'm gonna actually have screenshots of like the trades later on after the video. But let's move on. So I identify my POC, I identify my golden zone. Now I'm looking for a supply because I'm a supply and demand trader. I trade liquidity, supply and demand. Shout out to RD Forex. But for this Nas trade, I was looking at a 1-hour supply zone. Though we had a 4-hour supply zone, but I didn't really like focus on that. So I was more so focused on the 1-hour supply zone because this 1-hour supply zone was the zone that broke this low. So I was really focused on that at the time. So I drew this out and I marked that supply. At that time, my stop loss was like this right here. My stop loss was over there. So let's play price. So we already got our supply. We got our POC, golden zone. So my strategy the strategy that I trade volume slash fib, liquidity, supply and demand. So I basically blend liquidity, supply and demand with volume and the fib. So I'm basically trading three strategies. I put it together in one. So now I wait for price. I don't set limits. I enter trade manually because I sometimes I like to see a certain rejection before I get in the trade. I quite actually went in a lower time frame like the 5 minute and catch a sniper entry, but sometimes like I don't really like wasting my time like that. I'm not a scalper or none of that. So when price did this right here, when this candle closed, I hop in. I hop in right at the POC line because I'm like, okay, price just stopping to my POC. Though I don't like when price closing my supply or demand zone, but it did. But because of the POC, I'm like, I know that we're not gonna take out this swing high because if we do, the trade is invalid. So I hop in the trade, and at first I didn't have stop loss because I wanted to see what the market would do. So when price did this, it basically like took out the stop loss that I originally had and kind of like I guess sweep that high or made an equal high. After that happened, that's when I went on the 4 hour, and I'm like, oh shit, this a 4 hour supply zone right here. So I fix it, I moved it up a little bit, and I pushed my stop loss above these highs a little bit like that, and I targeted this 200 moving average right there for like a 104. When I was trading my when I was trading the 500 account, I was also trading on the 100K account that I bought today as well. So I made 8,000 of this trade and passed the 100K in one trade, and I made 500 on a $500 account on this trade. So it was like a double win. Today was a double win. Easy day. We do this every day, man. Every day, every week. So let's play price. So we kept consolidating like 3 hours of just straight consolidation. We're so close to my stop loss. And right there, I was really hoping for a bearish engulfing because we already had like 3 hours of consolidation. When price did this, when it made this candle, I low key was kind of iffy about it because it body closed above these two, but I was still cool with it. I was still cool because this POC is still kind of holding, and boom, this happened. Like I smashed TP of one candle. Smashed TP of one candle, passed my 100K account, and I got like I guess stopped out of my $500 account, made a 500 profit. Very simple, guys. Like my strategy is very simple. I do this every day. My strategy. I'm not gonna say my strategy is a 90%, but my win rate is pretty high. That's why most time, especially on power firm, I'm usually risking anywhere between 2% to 2.5. I don't risk I don't risk 0.5 or 1% because my strategy works. I trust in my strategy. I know what I'm doing, so I risk high. That's why I'll pass trades in one account. Pass past few accounts that I've been funded on, I'm always passing like one or two trades. So, but that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is my first time doing something like this. If you guys want to see more videos like this in the future, just comment down below. Let me know what ideas you have. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next weekly update. Every week I'm gonna be doing weekly breakdowns on the trades that I take for the weekday. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like so it can motivate me to make more videos like these.